Presenting the OPPO Reno 8 Pro 5G. The phone comes with 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display and 120Hz refresh rate. It has 50MP plus 8MP plus 2MP rear camera and 32MP front camera. It comes with 4500 mAh battery and fast charging support. It has 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. It supports dual SIM and Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and USB Type-C port. It has MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max chipset. The delivery box contains handset, charger and USB data cable. SIM ejector tool, safety guide and quick guide. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.